there. I'm speaking to the church. I am tired of the church living the way they're living. I'm talking about the church of God. Not to the church. I'm talking about the church of God. Because there's too much nonsense happening in the church, and the pastors and us condone these things. We need to be right. We need to be right, and we need to preach the truth. I told you that I'm also tempted. I am. But I turn my eyes from it. When I go home and I leave this office late, and I go from meetings here, and I drive through in the town, and before I get to the house, I meet up with a lot of makoshas. A lot of them. But here home my baby grace. Ja, my email hier kan speel. Die bloed van Jesus. Gaan my kar, jy weet waar my is. Ik draai niet naar een andere plek nie. Mijn handen draaien niet, dat steer dat die links draaien niet, of rechts draaien niet. Voorwaar! Voorwaar! Rust en vrede! Voorwaar! I see these things. I see them. When I go and look at the farm, or for the farm, I drove out the other day again there. And hey! Dat is al leer nie. En die bossies lyk mooi nie buite. Niemand sal my sien as ek gewoon links vat nie. Die oor van die Here is reg oor die wêreld en oor die aarde. Jy dink niemand sien nie, maar God sien jou. And the very thing that you go into will haunt you for the rest of your life, and you'll feel guilty forever. But you can say no to this thing, and it will never haunt you again. Here, help me. I've come to speak the truth this morning in love, so that God sets His people free. Wat hoe lang het jy dat gedink, kom kerk toe? Jy kom op net soos almal kom ons kerk toe. I lift my hands with the coming King. The grace. Hier, ek gaan een kiekie vir jou aan, en the volle bloed. Now I must speak the truth, beloved. You must hear your pastor's heart this morning. Hear my heart this morning. Get the blood of your hands. Get it off your hands. Be an example in word and in deed. Kan ek net gou iets sê? Elders is geriddel met drugs. Our young girls don't go to school. They go to drug lords. Hulle bedrag hulle, gebruik hulle. Now let me say that to you. Let me say that to you. That's what happened. Now I'm saying to the young ladies that are sitting here this morning, look after yourself, people. You only have this one life to live. Look after yourself. Creflo Dollar said this once, very unapologetically from the pulpit. He's got thousands of people in his church. He said, brothers, you business people and rich people in this church, you that are trying every woman that you can get in this church because of your richness, when you take a photo of you, when you put it on the screen, and when you say, watch this man, he's dangerous. He's very dangerous. Make a public spectacle of you, open. We cannot allow these things in the church any longer. We have to be radical now. Very radical. Broer, gister, as jy getroud is, die Here sê, jy moet een man lief hê, en een vrou lief hê. Nie van ander vrouens of ander mannen nie. Een man, een vrou. Daar is 'n song wat ons gesing het jare gelede. Evangelist, los besar, kan ek lewe vir jou, los so. Ek wil by die Here bly, want die Here is goed vir my. Ek wil by die Here bly, want die Here is goed vir my. I've seen some of my friends, old friends, years ago. If you know my age, you will be shocked. But I've seen some of my friends, and they look 7. I'm 10 years younger than them. They look 7. So they're doing 60. I look at them. Sun will make you look ugly. Sonder wat jou leer. Here